the early 2000s, drones took a major step forward. They became armed. The MQ-1 Predator was one of the first to combine surveillance with precision strikes. At the same time, the RQ-4 Global Hawk provided long-range intelligence, flying for over 30 hours. Another key system, the IAI Heron, showed how drones could stay in the air for extended missions. Between 2010 and 2020, drones became more powerful and widely used. The MQ-9 Reaper improved speed, range, and firepower. Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 gained global attention for its effectiveness in real conflict. China introduced systems like the CH-4 Rainbow and the Winglong 2. Meanwhile, the Hermes 900 combined advanced surveillance with precision strike capability. Today, drones are entering a new era powered by AI and stealth technology. The Bayraktar TB2 represents a new generation of jet-powered drones. The MQ-20 Avenger offers speed and low visibility. Stealth systems like the RQ-170 Sentinel can operate undetected. And innovative drones like the XQ-58 Valkyrie work alongside fighter jets. Even loitering drones such as the Shahed 136 are changing how targets are engaged. From remote-controlled aircraft to intelligent war machines, combat drones are shaping the future of warfare.